Every year as winter approaches in North India, a familiar sight fills the skies. Thick grey smoke rises from the fields of Punjab, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. This is the smoke of stubble burning, the rapid clearing of leftover paddy straw. For farmers, it is the fastest and cheapest way to prepare fields for the next wheat crop. But for the environment and for our health, it is a ticking time bomb. Stubble burning contributes up to half of Delhi's winter air pollution, pushing the air quality index to hazardous levels. The health impact is severe, causing respiratory issues in children and increasing risks for the elderly. Doctors warn that breathing this air is like smoking dozens of cigarettes a day, with long-term exposure reducing life expectancy by several years. Burning stubble destroys soil fertility and depletes precious water resources. And then comes the global effect. The smoke released from these fires contains not only particulate matter, but also greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide. These gases trap heat in the atmosphere and add to climate change. Experts estimate that stubble burning in India releases millions of tons of carbon dioxide every year, contributing to rising global temperatures. Beyond the environmental cost, there's an economic one. Cities lose productivity, healthcare is burdened, and farmers' soil degrades. The question remains, how can farmers clear fields quickly and sustainably? One of the most effective solutions lies in modern farm machinery. Among these, the Happy Seeder has emerged as a game changer. This tractor-mounted machine allows farmers to sow wheat directly into the soil, even with rice straw left behind. It chops the stubble and spreads it evenly as mulch. This mulch serves many purposes. It protects the soil from erosion, conserves moisture, prevents weeds from spreading, and enriches the soil as it decomposes.
Punjab Agricultural University developed the Smart Seeder, a lighter, more fuel-efficient machine designed for Indian conditions. State and central governments heavily subsidize these machines, covering up to 80% of the cost. For small farmers, custom hiring centers rent the equipment on a per-acre basis, ensuring everyone has access. But technology isn't just mechanical, it's also biological. Scientists at the Indian Agricultural Research Institute created the Pusa Decomposer, a microbial solution of fungi. Available as capsules or liquid, farmers mix it with water and spray it onto their fields. In just 3 to 4 weeks, the stubble decomposes completely, turning into rich compost that nourishes the soil.
This affordable decomposer enriches soil and improves yields, helping farmers avoid burning without needing expensive machinery. Together, these two methods, mechanical solutions like the Happy Seeder and Smart Seeder, and biological solutions like the Pusa Decomposer, form a strong alternative to burning. They are eco-friendly, practical and scalable. With proper support, they can become mainstream practices across North India. The challenge, however, lies in adoption. Many farmers are still unaware of these options or hesitant to change from traditional practices. That is why awareness campaigns, training programs, and government support are essential. Farmers need to see these alternatives not just as experiments, but as reliable and beneficial solutions for their livelihood and the environment. By combining innovation with support, India can move closer to a future where stubble burning is no longer the default option. Instead, sustainable practices can become the norm, improving both agriculture and air quality.
Stubble is not waste. It is raw material with enormous potential. Across India, crop residue is being transformed into energy. Promising solutions include bio-CNG and second-generation ethanol, which can power vehicles and lower emissions. Instead of polluting the skies, crop residue is driving cleaner energy for transport. Sustainable farming practices like mulching offer an eco-friendly alternative to burning. Leaving crop residue on the field prevents soil erosion and enriches the soil. This is supported by policy, providing farmers with subsidized machines and training. With collective effort, we can turn stubble from a symbol of pollution into a resource for progress, creating cleaner air, extra income for farmers, and renewable energy. Stop the burn. Start the change.